In a significant verdict, the Gadag District and Sessions Court has sentenced four individuals to death in the honor killing case that took place in the Lakalakatti village of Gadag District. The incident occurred on November 6, 2019, when Ramesh Madar and Gangamma, a couple who had married against the wishes of their families, were attacked and killed by family members in the middle of the street using knives, stones, and sticks. Gangamma had defied her family's opposition to her intercaste marriage, which led her relatives to commit this brutal act. A case was registered at the Gajendragad police station in connection with the incident. The police filed charges under BNS sections 427, 449, 302 and 506-2, leading to the court's decision. The four accused have been sentenced to death. The individuals sentenced to death are Shivappa Rathod, Ravi Kumar Rathod, Ramesh Rathod, Parshuram Rathod, a driver in the transport department. This ruling sends a strong message against violence in response to intercaste marriages, and it has been welcomed by the public as a bold step in combating such crimes.